wife don't want you to make your truck nasty? Don't worry, we got you covered.
Scotty, let it go. Yeah, man. Go home to the wife? What you talking about, Willis? No, man, my truck's nice and quiet, honey. I didn't do nothing. No, not me. Nasty, baby. Oh, dang, no. Except for the wash around and long drives. Right?